Let's learn English. My class, your class.
This is Rabbit Count, and he loves to count. Let's count with him. Let's see what he is inside the magic hat. Look, there is one little dove. Count with me. One dove. Oh, there are two colored balls. Count with me. 1, 2 balls. Look, there are 3 delicious donuts. Count with me. 1, 2, 3 donuts. There are 4 little dices. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 dices. Look, there are 5 little cars. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. There are 6 beautiful dolls. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dolls. Wow! There are 7 delicious candies. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candies. Look, there are 8 colored crayons. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 crayons. Wow! There are 9 brilliant rings. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rings. And there are 10 smelling flowers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 flowers. And now you can count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What about subscribing my channel?